DJT stock analysis tomorrow and onward. Is it a buy or not? Let's see where is Trump media stock going in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. Sitting at 3.5% down for the day. A good $22. Again, I'm still not excited about this because it just keeps going down. You know, the way that I would have taken this price up is if the price gave me like a double break above here, then I would have taken it higher. Now, anything else other than that is just complete noise and make believe, and I wouldn't be interested. So yeah, that's really what I'm waiting for right now with DJT. And like, guess what? If it just keeps going down, maybe we're gonna have new ranges that this is gonna get shifted to. But you know, I'm just not interested. I'm just giving you a quick little daily update. So that's about it. Not interested unless we start breaking bullish. And again, I'm not going to go ahead with the short side whatsoever. If you want to learn the strategy for free that's previously delivered thousands of correct predictions and all reviews are 5 stars, check the first link in the description. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.